rate of autism has increased dramatically over the past 2 decades. The current rate, as of March 2023, is 1 in 36 children. Many individuals with autism rely on nonverbal cues to express needs and emotions. For those facing severe communication challenges, alternative methods like sign language and picture exchange systems can be invaluable. Through inclusive images and symbols, our book promotes empathy and perspective-taking, helping individuals better understand and respond to the emotions and perspectives of others. At Sun Children Series, we believe in the power of communication for all, and that's why we're thrilled to introduce our latest edition, our new diverse and inclusive PECS book, Communicate with Confidence, perfect for teachers, parents, and caregivers. Make this PECS book your own. Cut out cards to add to an existing collection. With over 400 inclusive dark brown skin tones and culturally relevant images. Get a copy or gift to a loved one. Only available at sunchildrenseries.com.
Toddler comprehension.
Brought to you by Sun Children Series. For more books and early education, visit us at sunchildrenseries.com.